First, we want to introduce about Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest, famed for its biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is located in the northern part of South America, covering large parts of Brazil and parts of Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana.
Also, Amazon rainforest has very diverse geographical features. The Amazon River is the heart of the rainforest, stretching about 4,345 miles, about 7,062 kilometers. It is the second longest river in the world after the Nile. It has the numerous tributaries create an extensive river system. Also,
Moreover, the Amazon is known for its seasonal flooding, particularly in areas near the Amazon River and its tributaries. The water levels can rise significantly during the rainy season, creating flooded forests known as Brazil. Moreover, the Amazon is known for its seasonal
Amazon rainforest has a lot of interesting facts, and there are some most notable. Around 400 to 500 indigenous tribes call the Amazon's home, and about 50 of these have never had contact with the outside world. The Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of the earth because it produces a significant amount of the world's oxygen. Amazon
rainforest is the best to visit from December to May or June to November. To get to the Amazon rainforest, you fly to Eduardo Gomes International Airport in the city of Manaus, which is known to the gateway the Brazilian Amazons. Then from there, you can take a river cruise to explore the beauty of it. Amazon rainforest is the best to visit from